You said noise?
Yeah, noise in your of your mic.
Uh, is there? I don't know.
Like
I don't
background
see it
noise.
moving.
It's not that much.
Uh, okay, I see. Hold on, let me see.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Yo,
So we just had a really nice setup actually. Delivering from that 1 hour. We had a really clean
Yeah,
1.0 version.
I did see it.
I do want to see higher, honestly. I don't
Yeah, I
know.
want to see it higher. There's just not a lot of levels like close.
Yeah, we have S&T with Asia and London. No, I'm sorry.
Six
Yeah, Asia and London. We have S&T.
at the low, right?
Yeah.
I want to see like 50% of the previous day wick at 641, but we're inside of this 15-minute now. Bears 15 minutes.
What was that candle? Fucking last week.
I think that noise should be gone now.
Yeah, it's gone.
But
Bro, so I sent you the videos yesterday of the kid's house that I was at. So
yeah,
his dad, he's the one that owns all those cars. So his
yeah.
son, he was the one that put the steering wheel in for me. He's like, he like does all that stuff. Bro, he wanted to test my paddle shifters out to make sure that they worked. So that was just an excuse to drive my car. So he's fucking beating on my car, and then starts doing donuts. Bro, my hydraulic power steering started making like a whining noise after the donuts.
Oops.
So now I have to figure that out.
That's how I do.
ChatGPT said there's air inside my power pump.
Yeah, I guess because you have hydraulic power steering. Yeah, it makes sense.
That cannot be good.
Got to take off the half and turn the wheel lock to lock until the whining goes away.
Yeah, they said like let it sit overnight and then try and dissipate some of the air. If not, I'm gonna have to do a full flush.
What kind of car do you have? I'm a full-time mechanic.
Oh, I
Well,
got a
I actually joined a while ago, but I never joined the voice.
I got a E92 M3.
And you're a Beamer boy, even better.
Oh, dude, I love it, bro. I got a
And
full
I'm a big BMW guy.
I got a full catless exhaust on it, bro. That thing screams, dude.
I have a 435i that's like stage two,
Oh,
full
that's
whole
fire, bro.
yeah,
It
Hmm.
moves.
rear-wheel drive, and a welded diff.
And a welded diff.
Yeah, I welded diff. I
Fire,
like to go drifting.
fire. I just bought
When did that start? Like your power steering thing?
literally last night.
Would be like, did it ever leak on you? Did you like hit a bump maybe, like crack one of the lines, or just
No,
randomly out of nowhere?
I think honestly what he was just doing was he was doing donuts and then like the car was perfectly fine and then he was doing donuts and then all of a sudden the wine started. So what we think is like it got mixed with the oil inside the air pump or whatever the hydraulic pump. So we have to let it sit, like let the air dissipate, and then if not, if it's still foamy, because we opened up the cap, the reservoir, and
Yeah.
it was foamy inside. It wasn't like the straight green liquid. So we need to let it aerate, and then if that doesn't fix it, then I already ordered the hydraulics, fluid. I might as well just flush it out.
Just to give you a hand. I don't mean to, like fuck up what your boy said, but usually there's no way for air to just go in there.
Oh,
There
really?
needs to be a leak, or somehow, some way, there needs to be a way for air to go into the system. So it could be while you were doing donuts, maybe something's happened with the lines. All BMWs like to piss power steering fluid. Like it's known on every single generation, all the way down to E36. Have you looked like at your power steering lines
No,
recently?
no, I haven't looked at anything.
I'm willing to bet you $1,000 that they're covered in power steering fluid and it's been a slow leak for like a year. And like, it's not your fault. You would never notice unless you look under the car. But it's very, very common.
So you think get it up on a lift and check all the power steering lines?
Yes, absolutely. Before you spend any money on something that's not going to fix the problem, and then you're going to be down thousands of dollars in labor for something that wasn't the issue,
Yeah. Yeah.
definitely you look under there. Because like even my car, the power steering lines are leaking, and that shit's like great. Like I bought my car with like 40,000 miles
Wow.
back in December. Cali is like they all fucking leak.
Yeah.
There's
So
nothing you can do about it.
like my car from the top, if I open up the engine bay, my rod bearings were done, my my throttle actuators were done, and my valve covers were done. So from the top,
Yeah.
when you open the engine bay, it looks super clean, but underneath, I know that I have a slow leak for oil, which isn't that big of a deal, but it's like it's super small. But I do
Yeah,
need
we
to,
call it.
yeah, I do need to get under the car and check under the car.
Definitely, brother. Definitely got to get under there and look. A lot of people like to like in the mechanic field, we call them parts changers. Like people who spin around, close their eyes, and just throw whatever parts at it to fix the problem, and that's just going to cost you way more money down the line.
No, you're right, 100%.
You get like a bigger look at the picture and find the price, especially because like it discourages the shit out of you. You know, you put like 5 parts in the car, and you're like, "Fuck, this thing's still doing this."
Exactly, yeah.
Fucking blowing money. I don't even want the car anymore, and
Yeah,
that's why BMWs get a bad rep.
yeah, 100%. Yeah, I just need
I
to.
know the points don't like to go bad on those either. I've worked on a lot of V92s. It's not really that common
Yeah,
from my experience.
Yeah.
But the lines leaking is 1,000% common.
I talked to ChatGPT. It said it's one of the two options, either the diff or the hydraulic fluid or whatever.
Do you hear the whine when you turn the steering wheel?
Yeah, I hear it when it's at low RPMs. So like I'll start the car, I'll give it a little bit of gas, and I hear the whine, and then every time I change gears, I hear the whine. Like I leave it into drive auto, and every time it changes gears, you hear like a little blip of the whine.
But you don't hear. So you hear it even without turning the steering wheel?
I
Like
kind
just idling, sitting still, driving in a straight line, you hear it?
yeah.
And it's probably not the power steering.
See, that's what I thought, but then we opened up the hood and we looked inside the reservoir, and there was like a bunch of air, like bubbles inside of the power steering.
I mean, the only way the power steering's gonna whine when you're in a straight line without turning the wheels if it's like dead dry.
Yeah, no, it's not. I'm in New York.
Nice. I used to live over there. Yeah, no, definitely take a look at these.
I'm gonna take down your thing. I'm gonna send you a friend request.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna check after because the issue happened yesterday. If it's still there, then I'm gonna send you a message. We'll try and figure it out, diagnose it.
Yeah, I love helping people out with BMWs, especially, brother. So you could always hit me up. I got you.
Awesome.
I trade better, like for anybody in the call. Like I'm working on cars as we speak.
Perfect, dude. Yeah, and if you ever need help with trading, bro, I mean, I'm your guy. Let me know.
That's why I'm here, brother. That's why I'm here.
Beautiful.
I've only been trading for about 4 months though. Like I've gotten 2 payouts and like have a decent understanding. But I still like to be in Discord and like kind of see what other people are doing just to
Dude,
maximize knowledge.
2 payouts into a few months of trading is insane.
Lock in. Gotta lock in. And I got a baby coming in April, man.
Good shit, man. Boy or girl? Do you know?
It's a girl.
Nice, nice.
So, how long have you guys been trading for?
I've been trading options since 2020, but futures I started trading last year in October.
How do you like futures over options?
I actually enjoy it a lot. The only thing I don't like is that you can't really swing futures on prop firms. So
Yeah.
I'll swing options like on my personal account. That's where I make a good amount of money, but it's much different. There's a lot more risk involved with options.
For sure. One of my buddies used to be in options, but he only like, I think he lost money like one time and kind of gave up. A lot of my friends that were into trading kind of just gave up on shit too quick. So
Yep,
I really did the books a few months ago and started fucking around.
yep. That's usually
Why,
how it goes.
Hanging
why
with-
don't you build capital in a futures brokerage?
I definitely could. I mean I gave it one shot, but I blew my account. But that was when I was like only a few months into trading, so I should definitely give it another shot.
Hey, I've been doing something to practice for that too. Like, my goal is to get that back. And just strictly trade from there.
Yeah,
I got that shit up to like 5,000 right now.
that's fire.
Like, stop you from over trading. Yeah, you guys are seeing longs today. You guys don't like shorts?
The only reason I like longs is because we've just been keep pumping up. I mean, I'm gonna use like the last fair value gap as a condition. That if we come and flip it, then yeah, we're gonna come take out low resistance liquidity. But until then, if it's not broke, don't fix it. You know.
No, I feel you. I was just asking because I got this bearish 15-minute, and then also there's this daily daily inversion that I have marked out on my chart. And we see it's ridiculous.
Yeah, 100%. I'm gonna use probably this 5-minute or this 15-minute. Honestly, is the condition. So we're delivering from this 15-minute fair value gap, yes, but then in current time we have the 15-minute 845 fair value gap. So I'll use that as a condition. If we inverse that, yeah, definitely look for shorts. But if we tap into that at market open and then start bull running from there.
You're on MNQ. So I'm gonna give you these numbers. Just tell me if they're accurate or not. But in the daily time period, it's from 835 down to 793. There's an unmitigated inverse. I don't know if you guys.
Yeah, the Monday, December 25th one or Monday 29th.
Yeah, that we tapped into twice. Yeah, we tapped into it twice.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, no, that's definitely a valid fair value gap. I mean, that's definitely like a condition as well on the higher time frame.
Point.
Say it again?
Oh, no, man, I'm talking about the whole from the.
You guys all know more than me. I was just asking questions. That helps me learn a little better.
Oh yeah, no, of course. Any questions, you let me know.
Jeff almost had a brown. They had like. It was wrong, but they like drive it up and see. Might be beautiful like everything. No, they was making, it was turning to him. On top of him.
Shit's kind of weird.
Jeff, you commented on top of the racks, so take them from the part. You said, what hell? You told my mom to take them apart. This is dangerous. This is dangerous, guys.
Damn, Daji took that trade. That 1 minute.
On the bottom there.
Yeah. He took something in pre-market. I don't know if it was that one.
Interesting.
It might have been off.
He took the 5 minutes long.
Yeah, it might have been off the 5 minute. That's what it was.
Yeah. I don't know. He said he don't trade usually in pre-market, but I don't know how can I decide which one the perfect time for the pre-market window.
Yeah, it's you're honestly just better off not trading pre-market.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Higher. Just that shit was very far. Honestly, this range is odd. Like, it's like the highs are 180 points away, and then like the most recent lows are 100 points away,
It's true.
and we're just here. We're just hovering. Honestly, ES might go and take like previous day high, and then SMT, and maybe we'll like reverse lower and go for London.
It's definitely a possibility, honestly.
We'll stack. And Q still has Asia lows too. If we go higher, like 641 is kind of mine nearest target, and it's like right here. 50% of this daily wick.
Okay.
Then the only thing after that would be like a 5 minute gap at 706. Then other than that, we're just like in this 15-minute gap. How big is this gap?
This is a
An
big
80, 84-point gap. Like, jeez.
Yeah, ES is also closer to previous day high,
Yeah.
or close to it.
Yeah, what do you got that for previous day high on XQ? Mine's at 803 for MXQ.
Previous high is, yeah, 803.
Yeah, 803.
803. All right, wait. Want to make that?
$925. Friday, I'm so pissed too because Friday is like, bro, I knew shorts were supposed to play out, and then they did, and then they played out even more than I thought they would. Like,
Yeah, we
just
flushed.
plummeted.
Yeah,
I mean, we just literally plummeted fucking like 500 points.
it was crazy.
I
Genuinely.
fucking played myself on Friday. I don't like trading Fridays that much, so I showed myself in a profit aggressively, got stopped out, and then watched it drop like another 400. Hate that shit.
Friday was crazy.
It wasn't that bad, price action for the week, though. I was expecting. It actually started moving off pretty decent.
Yeah.
About to come attach. Wow. About to come tap this. Network.
Yeah, we are. It's just like, okay, even if it's just stupid because then we're about to inverse this 4 hours low key about to inverse, so which is fine. I mean, if we go higher, which we can, then I mean I'll just target like this 5 minute gap at 706, and then I'll target like
Yeah.
if we're beyond that, it would just be previous day high. Like if we're just strong, but we're gonna have SMT at that point.
I do.
See.
I'm not gonna lie. I do like lower. I'm sorry, higher.
Yeah, at this point, like from here, I think higher makes sense right now. This 15 is just like insane.
That's it. Hey, John. I look back there. That's too high.
I just server muted him.
That's, I actually have a face cam set up too, but
I do too, but honestly, I don't. I don't want to put that shit on. I don't want to look
No,
presentable.
no, I don't have it for Discord.
I don't want to look presentable
But-
in the morning. I'm trying to just roll out
Yeah,
of bed
you
and start trading.
guys don't mind me asking, what do you guys prefer for prop firms? Like, what do you guys usually like to rock with?
Uh,
I like Take Profit Trader. That's my favorite.
No, bro.
Yeah, the daily payouts is nuts.
I've used like Top Step the most, honestly. But I mean, every prop firm is like solid. They just all have rules, so it's just like
Yeah, they're not
preference
all that
based.
different. I just like to know what some people like. People look at me
Yeah, it's really
crooked
just
for like,
preference based.
oh, I like Apex. I'm okay, trying out of my funded features account right now.
It's a weird spot for pricing. Honestly, we'll see. I'll open this. We do have like these lows are pretty like I wouldn't say they're stacked, but more probable than the highs above us right now.
I do agree with that. The only thing is we do have SMTs at the lows.
Yeah. If ES goes for previously high, I mean, external SMT there, and then we'll see. We do still have like overall SMT at the top of like the high time frame range,
Yeah,
but
that's
it
true.
already delivered. So
There's daily gap CE or daily wick CE.
yep.
I swear, bro.
5 minute gap fill, 706 5 minute gap fill would be like my near term target for long.
Yeah.
For long.
I swear, dude, if we just hopped on the charts and then within 30 seconds came up with analysis and just placed our trades, I think we would have a 70 to 80% hit rate.
Yeah, I mean honestly, I mean that 642 level. I mean I once I saw that 915 candle 5 minute, like it looks good. I just wish we would have tapped something there. We might have. I don't even think. I mean tiny 3 minute, but
Nah, yeah. All right, here's Mark
Yeah, that'd be
Hogan,
cool.
fellas.
let's see what we get here. Gonna watch for a bit. 706 is my target if I want a long. If long's so good, but for now, I'll wait. That is insane.
Wow. Intel's pumping today. Holy
Yeah, GG, bro.
Yeah, I'm interested what this like Venezuela stuff is gonna do for the market as well.
Yeah.
But wait, see what happens. He has just a previous day high, so SMT there. Huge SMT actually, kind of crazy. We'll see if NQ's lagging or not. But honestly, that SMT is very significant. It's like a 150 point SMT.
Yeah, that's a crazy SMT.
ES looks strong, bro, really strong. ES has a lot of like buy side too, like near. This is odd. ES pumping NQ, kind of wicked.
Wow. YM's bull running as well.
Holy. Alright, let's see. NQ getting weak. I mean, I don't mind getting if NQ wants to get weak down towards London. I don't mind it. I mean,
No, yeah.
range. Interesting. We do have that 15 minute down there, so we'll see what that does. If we reach it. I'm not gonna short to it either.
No,
Wait.
I'm gonna wait a little bit.
Sheesh.
Wow.
That's a 70 point dump.
Jesus. Here's a 15-minute gap tap. So
That's that. Keep somebody. All right. 2 minute gap. This is weird discorrelation too right now,
yeah.
just because like ES was strong. It's not really weakening, but it's wicking though. See, the strong move down, honestly. That 15-second inverse up there was kind of.
I'm not gonna lie, I was just peeping it.
But
Damn.
then there's the one below it too that had to flip.
But that bottom wick inside that fair value
Yeah.
gap would be the break even spot.
Yeah, that's valid. Jeez.
Yeah, that shit was kind of clean. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, we're in this 15 right here.
Oh, wow.
607 would be
30 seconds.
My-
What do you
my
think
long
about that?
CP feed. I personally don't trade the seconds like that, but
Yeah, and we need
it
to
could work,
close it.
honestly.
Yeah, I don't love it. I don't like it at all.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to see.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
I mean, we do have an SMT inside of that gap technically, but we're also discorrelated, so I think you could continue to just weaken
Mm-hmm.
downwards.
Yeah, I don't like we're in total premium of the range. We have SMT at the highs. I definitely don't want to be longing into this stuff right here. Not right now, at least.
Yeah. Yeah, not NQ. I mean, maybe Weimer, yes, but NQ definitely not at the moment. Just gonna wait and see. You got pre-market lows at 520, and then you have 495 lows, and then after that is London at 455.
Yep.
From this point, I mean, it would be much easier to short into like south side than long into these like gaps and shit.
Agreed.
But just gotta wait because we have these 15 minutes that we're in. This one. Sheesh. That's that 1 minute like CISD off the previous day Wixie was kind of clean.
Yeah.
Low-key.
Yep. It actually was.
Wasn't too bad. If you limit order that CISD, you could be break even right now technically.
Oh yeah, no, you'd be. Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. I just don't trade those anymore. They're like I used to. Like I'll use them and then I'll just like trade off of them after. But
No, that's the way to do it, honestly.
yeah, like Justin Worthing trades them like confidently. I just can't. I don't know why.
Yeah. This is golden pocket right here, 0.618 of pre-market
Of the range.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely watch for some sort of reaction down here if we got one.
And Key seems weak. I think if ES starts to get weak and like flips down, then Key will just flush. To be honest,
It's very possible, 100%.
we're already down
Yeah.
100 points at this point here. Like next 15 minute taps right
Yeah.
now.
Yep.
We also look like we're rounding off at the top and like all that like low resistance liquidity into the end walk.
Yeah.
Get that end walk down there. Holy.
Wow.
Okay, can they just not rip it without like a setup though? They gotta chill, bro. The only problem is we're gonna have crazy SMTs all the way down,
Yeah, we are.
but
We're super
ES
discorrelated.
is starting to come down. Yeah. ES is starting to come down after that SMT up top there. A little bit. And he was super fucking weak.
I want to wait for a retrace to catch it.
You'll see. We're in this 15 now. See if we flush through or end up holding it. If we like come lower through this 15 and we sell through it, then I'm gonna assume we just go down into like the 520 and 495 south side.
Yeah.
It's a crazy flip there. That 15-second, like that shit looks crazy, but I can't.
No, I know.
I just can't. 2 minute gap. We do have a small 2 minute gap up here. Very slight 2 minute gap. Honestly, I think like I want to say if that 2 minute is the flip out of the 15, I might entertain the jab into maybe high of day and into that 5 minute scene.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too bad, honestly. I like that 2 minute.
Depends how strong like we push up through it if we are to.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll wait. That's like my short term condition. 5 minute. The 5 is just inside of these like small imbalances, and then the 15. We might buy back up to this 15 up top too.
YM's about to take previous week high.
Previous week. Jeez. Interesting. That's super far from Q. Starting to stall here.
Yeah.
This might be like the area that we decide if we're going to go lower or higher from. Interesting. Didn't get that 2 minute tap though. Short-term sell side would be 520 for that pre-market low.
Yeah.
I do kind of like this displacement down, but I wanted that 2 minute tap, so I just gonna wait. We like edged it. That 5 minute CISD tap wasn't terrible either.
No, it wasn't.
It's just ES is not correlated at all, like for this move. I'll wait because I think if we do get heavy through the pre-market lows and like 495, like we should go for London, like because they're pretty smooth edges down at like 452, 455, 450 is all like lows.
I could 100% see it.
So even if we do miss a move down to these pre-market ones, it's like if we just flush through, we can still catch
Yeah.
and move down. The 5 minute close wasn't terrible to make a bearish case. Pretty weak close there. It's 15 has 4.5 minutes. We also have 10 a.m. news,
Okay, yeah.
red folder and orange.
Yeah, we're getting heavy.
I like this displacement down to that 520, but I just can't jab it because we didn't tap that 2
Yeah, and I can't believe YM, bro.
every day.
Every day.
It's fine though. I think like at this point, I want to frame short because big 15 up top held so far. Previous day wick CE held. We have all these stack lows, so
Yeah, no, you're right, honestly.
from this point now, it makes sense to just frame short. We just have to find the right area to get into that.
Yeah.
I really did like this displacement, like the 1 minute was making, but that 2 minute tap would have been perfect to get, and we just didn't get it. We are making SMTs all the way down, but I think if ES starts to get weak, NQ will just fall.
Yeah.
And on the flip side too, NQ could stall, ES could catch up, and then like they could correlate,
It's very true, too.
which wouldn't be bad. Let's see here. Basically just wick filling the previous hourly low. This hourly candle looks super weak though from the top hook.
Oh, yeah, wow. Wow.
About to see. 10 a.m. news might be something worth waiting on. potentially. See how it goes. Cool. Kind of seems as if like the pops up aren't gonna hold.
No, it still seems super weak.
Yeah. I think this is where we give Price time to like stall and then break one side at this
Yeah.
point. This 15 is still technically holding the retrace for the last minute here. And if it does hold these gaps, I guess like shorting is it'd be kind of hard to do. So, ooh, shit.
Wow.
It's a pretty strong move there. Actually, not bad. 2 minute does have 20 seconds to flip, and then the 15 would end up holding on the close.
True.
We did just tap the 2 minute there.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got 10 seconds on it. Interesting spot. This is like actually odd.
So the way I'm looking at it, if you were gonna take this long, you would have had to take it off the 15 second after we close, so that
Yeah.
9:43 can close exactly. But the break even would be that 2 minute, so I don't want to frame any longs now off of this, because now we just have the 2 minute.
Yeah, I agree. Could just be a retrace to go lower. It's just unfortunate the 15 closed. Like, it's going to close up here. Unless we get displacement down in the next 30 seconds, but if we get a closure above the 2, I think it's still somewhat valid.
Oh yeah, no, I still like it if we close above the 2, because it's just hard. It's just a really weird spot right now. You have to be super precise.
Yep. Got a minute on the 2 minute candle.
Yep.
I think if you are to take the 2, I think you would just have to frame it into high of day, honestly.
Yeah.
Only thing else after that is like that 5 minute gap, 706, but it's not really like a strong draw. Now we have this 5 minute gap that we're in. Gee. If we do get this 2 minute to close here, I might try it, depending where it closes and like what it looks like at the close.
I don't know if I'm gonna try it, honestly. I like it, but something in me is just, I don't know.
I'll probably take it and then I'll probably break even at like 50% of that 2 minute wick where the high of day is. Depends on this close though. It's 5 minute. It'd be like C of the 5 minute wick.
We look strong here.
Yeah.
5 minutes, got 4 minutes.
Triangle jab here. Stop at 586, TP at 672, and then I'm gonna break even at 657.
But
We get it. It's basically like a complete 1R trade. See how it goes.
1Rs are totally fine.
Yeah, I mean, I like how the 15 held like that wick at the bottom. We held both the caps. 2 minute flip was not terrible. So we'll see. Hopefully my stop's not in like a weird spot. Basically at the wick low of that 932 candle on the 2 minute where the inversion is.
Yep, okay.
But with this range, that might be like a little risky. We'll see. Also might have been smart to wait on this 5 minute to close since it formed. And
Hopefully this shit just closes. How much time do we have left?
I mean, my reasoning is like if we wanted lower, like I feel like the 15 would have, closed weak and flipped, but we
Yeah.
ended up holding both the gaps strong at the end, like right at the close. The next thing would just be news.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully I don't fade myself for that, but it looks like it. Ouch. That stop is close. It's like 10 points or like 15. Oh, and maybe. I'm thinking it's gonna get stopped. It's not a good candle. And we close back below the 2 minute that we inverse.
Yeah, that's not ideal.
5 minutes technically holding. Might be fried. Yeah. Yeah. See where we want to go.
Wow.
It's just like in between like the 15s holding, but then it's like, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Lower could still be possible. But I'm just gonna wait until we like displace harder downward, I guess.
Yeah.
News in 10 minutes as well.
I'm probably just gonna wait for news, honestly.
Yeah. Just Wickfield on the 15 minute.
Yeah, this is just weird. I can't believe how much wine bought up today, dude. It's actually unreal.
Bro, I can't believe that 2 minute even give me like a lick of a move up.
I know, yeah.
And this is why I don't trade inversions anymore. Like, what do you mean? We just straight upwards and one eye long it. Fried. The 5 minute looks like it's holding.
Yeah.
It's just weird because he's 15 minutes held, so it's like, okay. That 5 minute previous like wick does look strong. Like a protected high wick.
Yeah. No, you're right.
I'll have to see what news does.
Yeah. 9 minutes. Just boring as fuck. I mean, I kind of like
Yeah.
lower.
Yeah, I mean, I do kind of like lower if we just like don't stall in this range here.
Yeah, we're just stalling right now, though.
Yeah.
5 minute looks nice for lower.
I agree. Out of that gap.
Yeah. And the CISD.
Yeah, that too. It does look clean. And I mean, we have all these like low resistance lows. I don't see why we wouldn't.
Yeah.
I mean, at least from this point, if we're selling off the moves higher.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Wow.
Holy.
Jeez.
That is insane.
Now we got 2 minutes on this 5 minute. I've taken 2 break evens already.
I guess we do have like an internal SMT at the low here.
True. I don't know. This is just honestly not ideal, and I know right
It's
now I
not.
should just log out of my accounts. I really should. And I think I'm gonna just do it. Start off the new year right. I'm just gonna
Wouldn't be a bad idea, honestly. This does seem just very like
rangy and just.
we're not directional yet.
Yeah.
Like it seems like
I'm-
there's like very equal buying and selling happening. To be honest,
Yeah, I just
at
logged
this
out.
point,
I'm gonna just paper trade for the rest of the day.
that's fine. To be honest, yeah.
I took a $15 loss from the 2 break evens. I'm fine with that.
Yeah, that's basically just complete break even.
Yeah.
Because we're literally, yeah, we're making moves up and then selling it and then making moves down, buying it. We're literally starting to form a range, which is unfortunate.
Yep, a wedge. And dodgy indicator didn't alert anything. Like on the 1 minute. Like the 15-second
Yeah.
stuff, but
Yeah, we're definitely not clean. We haven't like delivered through any kind of like draws necessarily.
nope.
The only thing that I guess you could frame is like short into the gaps, those 15 minutes, but it's like that's not ideal.
Can you show me the 15 seconds?
Yeah.
Uh,
You want to see all the entries?
just the short. I don't know how many entry did it plotted.
So this is short. This is everything.
All right.
So one right here, break even right here. TP.
So you don't use the TP plotting, right?
I don't personally use it, no.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
15-second right here. This would have probably been a break even.
Yeah.
Another one.
There's like a
right
couple moves in here that look good. They just
here. They just failed. Yeah.
either could be break even or yeah, like it just failed all together.
There was one right here. This would have been the break even spot though. I took this one. I got break even on that. And then I
What
took,
did you target?
and then
Targeted.
I took this short right here. We made this 15-second CISD.
Okay.
And then I got break even on that as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah. If we look at the ES, we chop in, so it's not ideal.
No, it's not. It's not worth it, honestly.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
No problem.
Yeah, I wish we just held like the original like displacement down off the open.
Mm-hmm.
We ended up just coming back up to chop around now, which sucks. They gave us one glimpse of like decent price action on Friday.
Yeah. Dude, we're just gonna make a wedge, like all of New
Yeah.
Year's AM session. It's gonna clear up around like 10:30, 11, but
I was thinking we would move nice for AM just because like we kind of just like consolidated last night, to be honest.
yeah. I'm surprised too, honestly.
It does still seem like lower will be the play.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. This is just rangy though. It's like boring to watch now.
Yeah. I'm about to sell my SMCI position, I think.
SMCI. Oh yeah.
And take the loss on it because I'm down 53%. I'm down $2,800. I think I can make $2,800 back using the 2200 before, like, if I just let it sit.
I could see that honestly.
I think I'm gonna just take
SMCI is just weird. Like, I mean, it has like its moments, but it's not always as strong.
Yeah.
We have SMT internal at the top. That helps frame lower, but the shit is like literally zigzagging.
Yeah, fuck this. It's gonna be a great first video.
No, actually, though. God, evals get so boring because it's like just want a full port.
Yep. I felt that.
Even the 5 minutes, like struggling to come out of the 5 minute gap.
Mm-hmm.
I know we're just in between on the 15 as well. And then ES is like not really weak. ES just like came up top and just stalled out.
It's just not ideal.
Yeah. Jeez, look at this 5 minute.
Yeah, we're just gonna form a rising wedge, bro, or falling wedge. It's not gonna clear up to like 10:30.
Yeah, we got news here in 20 seconds.
Yeah, I want to see what news does here.
Yeah.
Spike up and spike down. That's what I'm predicting.
Yeah, I mean, at this point, I think like lower just makes sense. We're just failing to hold the moves higher.
Yeah. See if we can get a down high, down low. If not, I'm over it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mm,
there's the high.
indeed.
Alright, let's see if we can get some.
See what happens from here.
There's that a low. But
Yeah. There's a high by 10 a.m., I guess.
Yeah, that's probably 10 a.m. PO3 right there. I mean, we do have SMT low key. We took out all the range highs on ES.
Yep. We made external and then internal SMT with ES.
Yeah.
Right, I just made SMT at the lows too now. Or no, actually. Technically not, I don't think.
Wow. I mean, jeez.
It says, there's a tweet that came out that says that the U.S. actions in Venezuela could lower global inflation.
Oh, nice. I
Yeah.
don't know how that's possible, but okay.
I guess when they go there and take all the oil they have,
Yeah.
perhaps. 10 a.m. sent us up to the top of the range, a little to the bottom of it, back into the top of it, and then now we're just back in the range.
It's clipped.
Fire. Barcode of fuel.
Wow.
4 hour inverse. 4 hour did not inverse. Huh. All right, we're at the top of the range now. So, what happened to me?
Gold is just bull running. Jesus.
I haven't checked in a while. Oh, what the fuck?
Gold just went up.
15 minute. 15 minute gap tap and rip from 9:30. W. That's actually crazy. We came above that small range finally.
This is just so garbage, bro.
Yes, it's just ripping for these next draws. 6-9, like 954, 951. And back down into the range.
We put SMT at range highs here.
Yeah, DP got a pretty crazy reaction. At least for ES, finally making a weak candle. I almost think we just keep ranging, honestly, at this point.
Yeah, I'm over this.
This 15 is gonna have to close above that gap to go higher, and then like the 4 hour didn't inverse.
Yeah.
We're technically holding it. Now it seems like NQ is stronger.
It's just man. Yeah, this setup's gonna fail. I don't know. I don't like this. This is just super seek and destroy. I don't want to be here for this shit.
Yeah, it's definitely not. We're just not delivering.
Yeah, not ideal.
We just inversed the
That's
5 minute.
that's a
on the
wrap for
previous
today.
candle.
Yeah, today's just not the day to be.
Yeah, I'm gonna bounce.
All right, my friend.
Thank
Good
you
luck.
for the stream.
No problem. Peace out.
Take it easy.
Peace.
Slazzy, you take anything, bro?
Yeah.
I got killed.
Yeah. It was just today was tough. I mean, it's super seek and destroy.
Yeah. I actually don't hate longs, but
Yeah.
I'm just
I just don't like the SMT at the highs now. I don't want to be taken along into that.
Yeah, it's just like looks bad at the bottom and the top. Yes, didn't come as far down as NQ, so we have SMTs down there, and then now at the top.
Yep. I'll be right back.
But
All right, I'm back.
but Yeah, I don't even know what I'm looking at right now.
I'm ready to call it. This shit's ass.
To be honest, yeah.
It's just not a day I want to be really sitting in front of the computer screen.
Yeah, like the only way NQ can go lower is if ES does, and ES just like refuses to.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna call it.
Yeah, I'm down.
Alright, fellas. We will see you tomorrow.
Sir,
Peace out.
catch y'all boys tomorrow morning.